off to Portland, and then we will drive out to Washington to go to Into the Woods conference, put on by Lincoln Design Company. We are a sponsor, so that's pretty awesome. And I'm looking forward to seeing what it's like to be out in the woods. Home away from home, Tyler. The Denver airport. First thing we got to do is go to Dutch Brothers. I mean, it's the land of Dutch Brothers. The car, I think this is probably the nicest car we've ever had. I feel like somehow we got a nice car. I don't know why.
You're just a nice guy.
Dying. Can we get 2 Golden Eagle freezes, small, and then 1 with an extra shot and 1 normal? Awesome. Thank you so much.
The hood is not closed.
We've left Oregon. We are now in Washington. On our drive across the bridge, we noticed that they did not close the hood. So we're in operation. Find a place to stop and push the hood down so we don't end up pulling a Tommy boy. Yeah.
On the road again.
On the road again. Can't wait to not get sued for singing this song. Okay, we made it. Okay, awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
We got a cute little Yeti guy. We just got here at Into the Woods. We just checked in. We come up here and checked out this room, which is pretty cool. It's like a rustic cabin lodge. Maybe some Shining vibes, maybe. Here's Jimmy. But you know, hey. Obviously, Tyler will have a million montages of beautiful footage, but pretty awesome room view as well. Set up, then maybe go find food or something. If I prepared, I could really go longer with that. That was just off the cuff. We need to see when UPS drops off boxes, and then we need to go get badges and check in, and we need to set up our booth. Here's the backup merchandise until the other merchandise.
The makeshift booth.
Alright, we got these awesome swag bags. I think I got a little something extra because I am a sponsor.
I will not bow to any sponsor.
Got a water bottle, printed panel, designed panel. I'm not sure if that's printed after. I don't know how they did that. That's sick. All right, let's open this thing up. I think this might be a little bit of a sponsor special. The amazing. Look at this little printed banner. That's so sick. We got socks. We got koozie. We got I guess this is the cool off. Little fan. I already own this, so if you want this towel, you can have this. I personally bought this one. We got a kneecap cover, a hat, Monster Energy Drink keychain. Oh, we got the sticker sheet. Let's unroll this bad boy. Die cut stickers. That's who we use. Oh, what else we got here? Sketchbook. We got a $50 True Grit. Oh, this is for True Grit Texture Supply. They make all kinds of awesome textures and brushes and stuff for Photoshop, Illustrator, Procreate, all that. I gotta say, that's one of the probably most extensive swag bags I've received at a concert to date.
Conference.
Conference. What did I say?
Concert.
Concert. Whatever.
Look at us.
Look at us. Day 2, Tyler. Well, I don't know. Do we count yesterday? I mean, day 1 we were here, but we really just had a party. Yesterday we had the party at night, which was really fun. We're gonna go get some food because we're hungry. I mean, I'm always hungry. If you've been watching, you gotta know that. But today is the first full day. Should be selling merch. Hopefully the rest of the merch will get here, and let's go get some food. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We would like you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Day 2 of Into the Woods conference. It's been awesome. Super beautiful place. Just ate lunch. Tacos. Pretty good. Free tacos. Can't beat that. But yeah, middle of day 2. It's been great. Right, me and Tyler are out trying to get a little footage of us actually being outside. Take a little walk on this awesome disc golf course. Beautiful up here. That's what we're up to. Ooh, where are you going? Tyler, we actually went into the woods.
You enjoying the talks?
Yeah, actually the talks have been really good today. They've all been pretty different than your standard kind of conference talks. So it's really good. How many different cameras and how many different angles do you think you've captured?
7 cameras, 7,000 angles.
Which will all be represented in this footage. End of day 2. Awesome day. Looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day. So it was good. Did you have a good time?
I did.
I'm definitely ready to get a little sleep though. Tired.
Good night.
Morning of the final day, day 3. You know,
just gonna go stuff our faces at the old buffet. Yeah. What's your buffet score for the buffet here? Skimania Lodge.
Solid 7.5, 8.
I would say 8 for breakfast buffet. Pretty solid breakfast buffet here. Rounding to the end of Into the Woods, or next year maybe Under a Tree. It's been great. I think we have a couple workshops left, and there's a few more talks, and then dinner, and the final party, and we are off back to the great state of Colorado. Back. It is the end, the official end. We are getting in the car, driving to the airport, hopping on planes. But really, I just want to say thank you so much to Lincoln Design Co. Thank you so much, Dan, for putting on this amazing conference, letting me be a small part of this conference. Thank you, everybody who came by the merch booth and picked up our goods. This is awesome, and I can't wait to do it again. Hey, if you like this content that Tyler works so hard to do, and I work a little less hard to do, please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it.